Hello Algebra 2 students. This is a video for example 4 for section 2.7, solving a linear quadratic system of inequalities. I have good news for you. I've tried to shoot this video 4 or 5 times already and got frustrated. No matter how much I mess up, I'm going to keep rolling the tape, as they say. Anyways, how can you solve the system of inequalities? We have a quadratic piece and a linear piece. We're just going to graph it. If you recall, a quadratic, they went with solving it with the vertex form. You could just type it into a graphing calculator to get the curve, but if you don't have one, then you would have to use one of the strategies that we learned earlier in the chapter. Now, shading, because it's an inequality, we need to know about shading, and I often plug in the point 0, 0. Here's 0, 0. I plug it in, I get 0 is less than 0 plus 0 minus 10. 0 plus 0 minus 10 is negative 10. Is 0 less than negative 10? It is not. So 0, 0 is not, we don't shade this side. We shade the opposite side of 0, 0, so we shade down here. Now we also need to graph the linear boundary line. I can subtract 4x from both sides and get y is greater than negative 4x plus 4. It doesn't equal it, so I'm going to have another dash line. I didn't mention that up here. There's no equals, so it's dash line both cases. And I'm going to test 0, 0 again. 0, 0 is right here below the blue line. Let's see if it works or not. Is 0 plus 0 greater than 4? No, it's not. So I'm going to shade above the blue line. And you notice when you shade above the blue line, we have some section here that's double shaded. That's the answer to the question. It's this double shaded region, okay? Which they highlighted here in green, but it's really the values inside, because the green was a dash line and a dash line, so it would not equal the green, it would be everything in between, or in the middle here. That's the answer to the system. Now the problem that's been frustrating me a few times, you can already see the correct answers up there. Let me go to another screen. They want us to graph y is greater than x squared plus 6x minus 12, and 3x minus y is greater than negative 8. I decided to try Desmos. So I open up my Desmos calculator, and I need to go back and forth because I can't see the screen. X squared plus 6x. Y is greater than x squared plus 6x minus 12. And it already shaded it for me. X squared plus 6x minus 12. Now the other one is 3x minus y. One of the beautiful parts of Desmos is you don't have to have it in y equals mx plus b form. 3x minus y is greater than or equal to negative 8. It is greater than or equal to negative 8. And there it is, which we can clearly see the line goes above the x-axis. It has an x-intercept of positive 8. So you will see why I was so frustrated. So the answer is, because this is the right answer, it's this double shaded region right here. I don't know what the book was doing or the website was doing, because here's their answer. 1, I don't think they finished it. They didn't shade it. Plus, they have it going through 0, negative 8. And it doesn't, even though this is a negative 8. If I plug in 0 for x, I get that negative y equals negative 8. Therefore, y would be 8. They should have had a y-intercept of positive 8. So anyways, and now I can't go back to my answer to show you the right answer, but let's just move on. As I said, frustrated enough with this problem. And there's only 2 problems your teacher can assign. 19 and 20. That's it for this video. Have a great day.